For content creators, the days of cue cards, looking down to your notebook, and using sticky notes comes to an end with Elgato's all-new prompter. So thank you for checking out today's video. Make sure you like the video, and if you like what you see, more content from me, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what product you'd like me to review next for my upcoming video down in the comments below. So let's jump in and start to unbox. So right out of the box, you have the Elgato Prompter and display. You also have the Facecam Pro backplate pre-installed. The settings of this display are 9 inches, 1024 by 600 pixels. It also has 2 cold shoe mounts on the top for lighting, microphones, or anything else you'd like to add. This also comes with 3 other boxes. It has the USB-C to USB 3.0 port, the universal shroud backplate. This is going to keep light from coming in the back, distorting your view and your ability to read your prompter. Now, this is where I believe Elgato went above and beyond for content creators, adding 9 threaded setup rings for your DSLR or mirrorless camera or your camcorder. It includes 49mm, 52, 55, 58, 62, 67, 72, 77, and 82 millimeter. So depending on how you want this to be set up or even to use the prompter in the future, Elgato has you covered for your next upgrade. And also it comes with the ring backplate. This is going to support your rings for your DSLR mirrorless cameras. We also have the L bracket that will attach to your prompter for mounting your webcam or camera. Make sure you have enough support for your camera webcam to include the prompter. You may also need an additional stand or support arm to ensure the prompter is secured. Now, this is all ran through Elgato Camera Hub software. You have the ability to change the brightness. You have 11 fonts. You can change the font size, margins for placement of your text, text color, background, and opacity. But most of all, you have continuous scrolling, or you can turn it off to do one section at a time. Regardless, if you're a fast or slow talker, being able to adjust the scroll speed is paramount for your content. So where I can see this being used for me personally, on my own YouTube channel, 5 days a week, I put out a word of the day. So memorizing using sticky notes was honestly where I began. You'll see down here in this video where I'm looking off to the side quite a bit. I'm peeking 2 or 3 times. So sometimes you're not able to cut everything perfectly in editing or even have to record something multiple times. So educators, streamers, and content creators who don't want to constantly look down for their content or off to another monitor, taking their eye away from the camera, will be able to see what's coming next without having to look somewhere else. Another great spot I see this where content creators who are away from their computers, it might have a setup for a green screen. Even if you're doing something scripted or just using it for Twitch chat, this is a good way to stay engaged with your community just by having the prompter. Now here's a picture of my Elgato Prompter. This is behind a 27-inch monitor. It does not take up very much space. It doesn't look out of place. This is clean. Now this also works with your Stream Deck. So let's jump in and take a look at what's been added. You have a play pause button. You can change the brightness. You can jump to your Twitch chat. You can change your font sizes and even your scroll speed. So let's jump into what I think we could see for some improvements that could actually make this product even better. Number one, I would love to see a voice to text option. You can copy and paste from another voice to text program, but it would simplify the issue. Number 2, spell check. There's nothing worse than realizing something is wrong the moment you start to read it and then have to fix that when you're flowing really well.
I'm Ron Burgundy.
Number 3, and this is just a personal preference for me, but when you are changing the background, now it's going to add, or green here, let's see. Now you can see this tint come up in the recording, which is bouncing off of the glass where the display comes up. And now you can see that it's slightly tinted. Having all these background colors potentially could affect it. Number 4 is going to being able to rearrange the chapters within Camera Hub. This would be amazing. This would help if you're a creator who likes to complete things in a specific order. If you forgot something, you don't have the ability to add it back in later on. You're going to have to add, paste, delete, extra steps. So just being able to rearrange the order would be fantastic. This is an absolute game changer in my book with Elgato's Prompter. If you're thinking about making content, you want to make content, you're already making content, this could be for you. I know it is for me. I feel like there was a lot of thought put into this from Elgato to improve the quality of content for creators, educators, podcasters, interviewers, streamers, and so much more. I think this is going to be something that's going to be added to a lot of people's gear lists in the year to come. So thank you for watching today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.